identification. Just like height, hair color, and facial features can help you identify people, mineral properties such as color, appearance, and shape can help you recognize different minerals. So just like we use a person's physical appearance to describe them to another person, you can do the same thing with different minerals. Color and appearance are not enough to tell minerals apart, though, however. For example, pyrite, which is also known as fool's gold, and gold are the same color and they look similar, but one is worth a lot of money and the other is not. Can you tell the difference? So this little mineral right here, does this look like the real deal, like gold, or is it fool's gold, also known as pyrite? It is pyrite. What about this little shiny nugget? This is gold. How about this one right here? That is pyrite. And last but not least, this piece here looks like a piece of coral or something down the bottom of an ocean. It is gold. Other properties that you can use to study and identify minerals include how hard a mineral is, how it breaks, and its color when it is crushed into a powder. Important vocabulary. Hardness. A measure of how easily a mineral can be scratched is known as its hardness. So if a mineral can be scratched pretty easily, then we would consider that to be not very hard. It would be kind of soft. Some minerals are super soft, like talc, and can be scratched with your fingernail. So this is a piece of talc, and if you were to scrape this piece of talc with your fingernail, it would form a big pile of powder, and talc is also the mineral that primarily makes up baby powder. Others, like diamonds, are so hard that you could only leave a scratch mark on a diamond if you were to scratch it with another diamond. However, that does not mean that diamonds are completely unbreakable. They're definitely breakable, but the only thing hard enough to scratch a diamond is another diamond. A mineral's hardness is ranked on the Mohs scale. On the scale, 1 is a soft mineral and 10 is a hard mineral. So you can see here talc, or what makes up baby powder, is a 1 on the Mohs scale, and diamond, which is one of the harder minerals, is a 10 on the Mohs scale. Luster is our last vocabulary word for this lesson. We'll cover more vocabulary words in the next lesson. Luster is the way a mineral reflects light, such as, is it metallic or is it non-metallic? Does it shine like metal or is it glassy? So here in this example, a pearl would be considered non-metallic, so those are your two choices. It's either metallic or non-metallic, and it would have a very glassy luster, or a very glassy kind of shine. It reflects light. Graphite would be considered metallic, and it would have a very metal-like luster. Halite would be non-metallic and again would be glassy. Over here is fluorite, which is one of the ingredients in your toothpaste. It would be considered non-metallic and it would be glassy. Pyrite or fool's gold would be considered metallic. Kind of looks a little like metal. And then last but not least, hematite, which is also a metallic mineral or has a metallic luster. And that is the end of lesson 2.